Chocolate. The word alone evokes a sense of delight, indulgence, and pure happiness. It's a treat that brings a smile to faces young and old, a universal symbol of joy and celebration. Few treats on earth hold such universal appeal, transcending cultures and generations. Whether it's a simple bar, a luxurious truffle, or a hot cup of cocoa, chocolate has a way of bringing people together. This beloved confection has a long and fascinating journey, originating from humble cocoa beans grown in tropical regions around the world. These regions, rich in biodiversity, provide the perfect environment for cocoa trees to thrive. In this exploration of chocolate, we'll journey from the cocoa farms where the journey begins, to the hands of dedicated farmers who work tirelessly to cultivate and harvest the precious cocoa pods. Then, we move to the bustling factories where skilled chocolatiers transform the humble bean into the delectable treat we know and love. These factories are a blend of tradition and modern technology, ensuring each piece of chocolate is crafted to perfection. The story of chocolate is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of tradition, science, and artistry. It's a journey that spans centuries, from ancient civilizations who first discovered the magic of cocoa, to today's innovative techniques in chocolate making. It's a tale of farmers who carefully cultivate their cocoa trees, nurturing the pods that hold the precious beans. These farmers, often working in family-run farms, pass down their knowledge and skills through generations. It's the story of skilled workers who transform the raw beans into a rich, flavorful liquor, the foundation of all chocolate creations. This process involves fermenting, drying, and roasting the beans to bring out their unique flavors. And it's the story of master chocolatiers who, through a delicate dance of temperature and time, coax out the complex flavors and textures that make chocolate such a beloved treat. Their expertise ensures that each bite of chocolate is a moment of pure bliss. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of chocolate, uncovering the secrets behind its journey from bean to bar. We'll explore the meticulous processes that ensure the highest quality and taste in every piece. Along the way, we'll explore the meticulous processes, the rich history, and the dedication of countless individuals who contribute to bringing this beloved treat to our taste buds. From ancient rituals to modern-day innovations, the story of chocolate is one of passion and dedication. Get ready to embark on a sensory adventure, exploring the origins, the craftsmanship, and the sheer delight that is chocolate. Experience the joy of tasting different varieties and learning about the unique characteristics of each. From vibrant green plantations to the bustling factories where chocolate is born, we'll uncover the magic that transforms a simple bean into a universally adored delicacy. Each step in this journey is a testament to the love and care that goes into making chocolate. Prepare to discover the fascinating journey of chocolate, from its ancient origins to its modern-day allure. This is a story of transformation, from the raw beauty of the cocoa bean to the refined elegance of the chocolate bar, a journey that continues to captivate and delight people around the world. Our journey begins in the heart of the tropics, where cocoa trees thrive in a warm, humid embrace. This is a world where nature's bounty is at its most generous, providing the perfect conditions for these precious trees. These finicky trees, scientifically known as Theobroma cacao, meaning food of the gods, demand a specific set of conditions to flourish. They are as particular as they are rewarding, requiring a delicate balance of elements to produce their coveted fruit. Imagine a lush, tropical landscape where the air is thick with humidity, and the sun's rays bathe the earth in warmth. This is not just any environment, it is a symphony of natural elements working in harmony. This is the ideal environment for cocoa trees, which crave a consistent temperature between 77 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, or 25 to 30 degrees Celsius year-round. Such consistency is crucial for their growth and productivity. Too much sun, however, can be detrimental to these delicate trees. The intense equatorial sun can scorch their leaves and stunt their growth. Therefore, cocoa trees thrive under the protective canopy of taller rainforest trees, which provide essential shade from the intense equatorial sun. This natural umbrella shields them from the harshest rays. The dappled sunlight that filters through the canopy creates the perfect balance for these shade-loving plants. It allows just enough light to nourish them without causing harm. Cocoa trees prefer slightly acidic, well-drained soil, rich in nutrients. This type of soil ensures that the trees receive the right amount of water and essential minerals. These conditions are often found in regions located within 20 degrees north or south of the equator. making countries like Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, and Indonesia the world's leading cocoa producers. These regions have perfected the art of cocoa cultivation over generations. After about 3 to 4 years of careful nurturing, the cocoa trees begin to bear fruit. This period of growth is critical, as it sets the stage for the quality of the cocoa beans. But these are no ordinary fruits. They are the culmination of years of meticulous care and the perfect environmental conditions. Instead of growing on delicate branches, cocoa pods emerge directly from the trunk and larger branches of the tree, creating a rather unusual sight. This unique growth pattern is a testament to the tree's adaptability and resilience. These pods, initially green and maturing to vibrant shades of yellow, orange, or red, hold the treasure within, the cocoa beans that will eventually become the chocolate we know and love. Each pod is a small miracle, containing the seeds of one of the world's most beloved treats. As the cocoa pods ripen, their vibrant hues signal the arrival of harvest season, a time eagerly anticipated by farmers and communities alike. This labor-intensive process typically occurs twice a year, with the main harvest taking place in the fall and a smaller harvest in the spring. Each season brings its own challenges and rewards, as farmers work tirelessly to ensure a bountiful yield. Farmers and workers carefully inspect the pods, ensuring they are ripe and ready for picking. This meticulous inspection is crucial, as only the ripest pods will produce the highest quality cocoa beans. Using long poles equipped with sharp blades, they carefully cut the pods from the trees, taking care not to damage the delicate branches or surrounding pods. This method requires precision and skill, honed over years of practice. Once harvested, the pods are gathered and transported to a central location within the farm. This centralization helps streamline the next steps of the process, ensuring efficiency and organization. Here they are split open, revealing rows of glistening white cocoa beans encased in a sweet, sticky pulp. This moment is a visual and sensory delight as the rich aroma of fresh cocoa fills the air. Each pod contains between 20 to 50 of these precious beans, which hold the key to chocolate's unique flavor. The quantity and quality of these beans are vital for producing premium chocolate. The beans, along with their pulp, are carefully scooped out of the pods and prepared for the next crucial stage of their transformation, fermentation. This step is essential for developing the complex flavors that chocolate lovers cherish. The harvested pods are carefully cracked open, revealing rows of plump white cocoa beans nestled in a sweet, sticky pulp. This pulp is not only a byproduct but also a valuable resource in many cocoa-growing regions. This pulp, while not used in chocolate production, is a local delicacy in many cocoa-growing regions, often enjoyed fresh or used to make refreshing drinks and juices. Its sweet, tangy flavor is a treat for the senses. The separation of the beans from the pods is traditionally done by hand, often by local women who skillfully open the pods using machetes or wooden clubs. This traditional method preserves the integrity of the beans and honors the cultural heritage of cocoa farming communities.